India and the United States have agreed upon ending the long-standing difference on nuclear liability. President Barack Obama, who is in India for a 3-day official visit, also called for greater cooperation between the two countries.
Barack Obama and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Indian business leaders in capital New Delhi on Monday in an effort to foster trade ties between the two countries. Obama also became the first American president to tour India twice during his office. Indian Prime Minister Modi, breaking the protocol, personally received President Obama and First Lady Michelle Obama at the airport as they reached India on Sunday. President Obama also paid floral tribute at Rajghat, the memorial of Mahatma Gandhi. Prime Minister Modi and President Obama also held extensive discussions on resolving differences in key issues. The two countries agreed on the highly anticipated civil nuclear deal, which has been lingering since 2008. The agreement resolved differences over the liability of suppliers to India in the event of a nuclear accident.
We achieved a breakthrough understanding on two issues that were holding up our ability to advance our civil nuclear cooperation, and we're committed to moving towards full implementation. And this is an important step that shows how we can work together to elevate our relationship.
The leaders of the two largest democracies are also scheduled to hold a joint radio address to the nation on Tuesday. President Obama said he was excited about addressing the Indian public.
I'm looking forward to a chance to speak directly to the Indian people on the radio and in my speech on Tuesday about what I believe we can achieve together.
Prime Minister Modi said the two countries have agreed in further advancing the defense cooperation.
Today, we also decided to take up our growing defense cooperation to the new level. We have agreed in principle to pursue co-development and co-production of specific advanced defense projects. This will help upgrade our domestic defense industry and expand the manufacturing sector in India.
Defense analysts said the agreement will help in fostering the bilateral ties, which has seen many ups and downs in the recent times.
It appears that both sides have been able to arrive at a modus vivendi, and to my mind this is indeed a very significant breakthrough, because the bilateral relationship had remained stalled due to the symbolism and the substantive impact of the nuclear issue. Now that this has been resolved, I think the professionals on both sides would be able to draw up the necessary papers that would be required for the commercial transactions.
President Obama's visit follows the highly successful visit of Prime Minister Modi to the US last September. The two visits are also seen as a step towards moving forward since the controversy over the arrest of an Indian diplomat in the US.